welcome back to the channel. We're at National San Francisco Airport. Let's have a look at the executive aisle here. There's a GTI, I don't see that very often. Got a couple trucks, minivans. Oh, you know, they got the executive aisle down the other side too. I think on the other side here we got just overflow, and then should be some more executive aisle down here on the left. And if that GTI is still there, let's take a look at that, or the GMC Sierra. A couple more on the right. 11,000 miles. It's got heated and cooled seats, it looks like. Is this a higher trim? It's got the wood panel, bed liner, seat folds up in the back. Looks like maybe upgraded audio. This has got to be a higher trim, guys, is it? Sierra SLT, it looks like. And then these Genesis are being held for somebody. Oh, here's the VW. There's a Dodge Ram. No bed liner in this one. And then we got a minivan coming in here, but I want to take a look at this GTI. Yes, I'd love to rent one of these sometime, yeah. So it's got GTI in the seats. Great that this is in the executive aisle. It's not telling me the mileage yet. I'm sure if you started it up, it would. No sunroof or anything. Kind of like the plaid trim on the seats. That's kind of nice. Yeah, for the size of the car, decent amount of leg room. And then you got the hatch in the back. This one's from Montana. There you go. And then we got another Sierra. Side of Sierra. Bed liner. Is this the same? Yeah, this is the same. The SLT. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I think we'll wrap things up. And, actually, as we wrap things up, we'll take a quick look on the other side here. A couple minivans. And I see a couple SUVs. And I didn't realize there's an emerald aisle a little bit further down here, guys. Minivans, trucks. I think that's the emerald aisle. That's what the sign said. All right, a couple more in selection. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.